Greetings, my name is Andrzej and I am a developer at Leon Software. I would like to introduce you to our new series of short movies called The Dev Diary. In this series, we would like to highlight you a few of the changes we've made to Leon in the last few sprints.
The first thing I would like to show you is a little tweak we've made to the crew calendar page. When you drag and drop duties to expand them, you can now manually select positions for the assigned flights. If you like our Unread messages function in the ops table, you will be glad to hear that we've implemented it both to the calendar and to the timeline views. And last but not least, if you change your duty definition to include clock in and out, the concerned crew members will receive push notifications right on their mobile phones just before the duty starts.
And that's all I've prepared for you from sprint 127. This is just a small fraction of updates. You can find full list in our release notes on the webpage. Please check our other materials on LinkedIn and YouTube.